we go. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, man. Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta push that forward.